ALE International LLC specializes in the execution of turnkey projects, alongside supply, installation and service of an entire range of intralogistics, packaging, and commercial kitchen equipment. ALE is part of the holding company Barnsley Universal Inc., the owner of the ATCO brand, and one of the largest stockists of its core products in the industry. Barnsley Universal Inc. was founded in 2002 and is headquartered in Jebel Ali Free Zone, Dubai, from where it fulfills the demands of the entire Middle East and Africa market. Every square meter in warehouses, logistics centers, distribution centers, manufacturing facilities costs money. The effective utilization and optimization of vertical and horizontal space in a facility results in huge savings and increase in efficiency. We at ATCOLIFT provide innovative and integrated solutions for your storage, material handling and flow, and loading station requirements. Our solutions range from a complex warehouse automation system to a simple selective racking system and everything in between. Apart from providing the standard high-quality, cost-effective equipment, our team of designers and engineers work closely with our clients to understand their needs and to develop customized solutions in line with the latest technology to ensure an optimum solution. Having served the Middle East region for over 20 years, we are the vendor of choice for the biggest companies in almost every industry. We have achieved this by getting our basics correct, supplying quality products, ensuring the best after-sales service and customer satisfaction, ensuring the customer has the best ROI on the equipment solutions purchased from us. Our core products include warehouse automation, material handling equipment, racking and storage solutions, loading bay equipment, weighing scales and systems, software solutions, and industrial cleaning equipments. Our skilled CAD design team is highly proficient in offering comprehensive technical design consultation for intralogistics systems. We are committed to staying ahead in terms of the latest technological advancements and quality standards in the intralogistics industry. We offer comprehensive installation and testing services for all our intralogistics systems. We understand the importance of fostering strong relationships with our clients in the intralogistics industry, and our team of experienced professionals is always available to offer expert guidance and support. High-quality products at affordable prices, tried and tested in the marketplace for over 21 years. Professional management. Streamlined business processes. Large inventory of finished goods and spare parts. Know-how of the industry and market as a whole to provide the right solution and product for the right application. Team of professionally trained sales and service engineers who ensure a smooth experience for the customers, right from project consultancy, to supply of the right product, to installation, training, and after-sales service. Get a quote, tell us about your business requirement. One of our technical experts will be in touch with you soon.